Want to create a group task where only one student from each team needs to submit the work? Then this is the video for you. This is part 2 in our 3-part series about using groups inside Echo. A group task is like any other item type in the course, except only one student from each team needs to submit the work for the team, and once that student submits the work, the rest of the students see the item as complete in their gradebook. Additionally, all students receive the same score on the assignment. You cannot adjust the grade for each group member. Let's get started. As you learned in part 1, you have to have a group set created before you can assign a group task. So let's go into the Digital World project. We're going to click on the People tool and make sure we have a group set. I'm just going to demonstrate that to you. The Groups button at the top menu, just like you saw before. And you can see I have my World War II group set all created here. So now we're going to go in and create an activity. Click on the course editor button, and we're going to add an activity. I already added my group activity. I'm just going to walk you guys through how I did it. It was submit your group contract. So you would click right here on add and choose whatever item type you want to add. In this particular one, it's task or submission. So let's take a look at how that's set up. We go in and I titled it Submit Your Group Contract, gave kids the instructions, and went through the tabs as usual, added my thumbnail. If I wanted to tie objectives to it, I would do that. The scores tab is where you need to pay attention. So I have it all set up as typical. They're getting 10 collaboration points for this. I have a Dropbox enabled because I want them to submit a document. Here's where you need to watch. Not down here, up here. See the student grouping tab? This is typically blank, but I want to assign it to every group in my World War II group set. I will click there, and I will click Save. And now this group task is ready to go. All 3 of my World War II groups, every student will get this in their to-do list, but one student from each group can turn it in. So let's see what that looks like in the gradebook. I'm going to go back to my Home button because I had a demo student already do this assignment. So you can see down here, it was turned in by one group. Submit your group contract is right here. So as a teacher, I'm going to click on it. And here it is. You can see that this is for submit your group contract. The members in that group are Demo Student 1 and Demo Student 2, or Demo Student 3, I'm sorry. And then I can look at the submission history if I want to see exactly which student submitted it. It tells me so right here. And it tells you also in the scoring box that your edits apply to all members of the group. So I can give them their score, submit the score, and both students will get that grade. That is how you create a group task.